If you have money in your Apple account balance, you might be wondering, can I transfer it to Apple Pay? And honestly, this is one of the most misunderstood Apple Wallet questions in 2026. So, in this video, I'll explain what you can and can't do and how Apple Account balance actually works. First, let's clear up the biggest misconception. In most cases, one cannot directly transfer your Apple account balance to a debit card, bank account, or Apple Cash balance. Apple account funds are generally intended for Apple purchases and services. Now let's check your balance. Opened on App Store, tap your profile picture and look for your Apple account balance. You can also see it in Wallet in some countries and regions. Now here's what you can do. Use your Apple account balance for App Store purchases. Apple Music crowd plus Apple TV plus games up Sunday. Many Apple products and services, depending on your region, you may also be able to use it when purchasing directly from Apple. Now, let's talk about Wallet, because this is where people get confused. In some countries, you can add your Apple account card to the Wallet app. However, that does not automatically mean the balance becomes spendable. Everywhere Apple Pay is accepted, the balance remains tied to your Apple account. If you want to add your Apple account to Wallet, open Wallet, tap the plus button, then look for Add Apple Account. If available in your region, follow the on-screen instructions and your balance may appear inside Wallet. Now, something very important. If your goal is to move Apple account funds into Bank account or a debit card, Apple generally does not allow this except where required by local law. Now, let's be honest, for a second, most tutorials online use the words transfer Apple account balance to Apple Pay. But what they're actually showing is how to add your Apple account card to Wallet, not how to convert the balance into spendable cash, and those are two very different things. So, to wrap this up, in 2026, you can check your Apple account balance, add your Apple account card to Wallet in supported regions, and use the balance for Apple purchases and services, but in most cases you cannot directly transfer that balance into Apple Cash, a bank account, or a normal Apple Pay payment card.